a factor which keeps on changing its direction is to break it into components. Let us break df into dfx and dfy. What will be dfx? Is an obvious df cos theta. What will be dfy? Dfy will be df sin theta. Df sin theta. What is df to us? I into dl cross b. Can anyone help me with the angle between dl and b? dl and b. What is angle between dl and b? dl is on the board and b is perpendicular to it. Correct, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. 90.
So angle between dl being 90 degree, this gets us dlb sine of the angle theta. We can change dl by r d theta. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
R d theta. And then we go for fy. Fy, if we go for, we'll have to integrate from 0 to pi. Tell me what you get after of integration. Tell me, dear. What we get when we execute integration. Tell any one of you.
Is the one thing.
It is simple integration, sine theta.
So 2.
We'll get, yeah.
Okay, so I write, B I write, and then we get twice of R, correct?
Yes, sir.
dfx. What about dfx? If you apply logic, you can say dfx will be 0. Because
Yes,
to every to there will be a counter here. Or
No.
if you apply mathematics, integrate it, you will get sine theta. And sine theta from 0 to pi, if you place the
0.
argument value, you will get them as 0. Sine 0, 0, sine pi 0. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So whichever way you look at it, fx is not to cut water. We are getting only fy. And if fy is what we are to get, we from here, if we do apply our faculties, from here can come to a very important conclusion, which is going to be handy in solving difficult questions. Check there what I am insinuating on. Check it out. Check it out. I be into 2r. There is more than what meets the eye. Please read between the lines. Try to figure it out. Can we draw some conclusion from our answer?
So is 2 of the maximum displacement, so something related to that?
Okay, can be. Anyone else? Sonit, say something about it. Can you get any inkling on some methodology which we can from here devise? Nothing? Aditya, can you read more than what I am asking you to? Can you read beyond what written on board? Aditya?
So will it like tantamount to I into 2e by omega?
I omega. No, yes, not that way. This is nothing but force on this straight wire.
Wait. Yeah.
Force on straight wire. So you can discount on the R. What is the takeaway? Very important takeaway. The takeaway being that when a figure is given to me, more than the figure is to count the endpoints. More than the actual is to count the termination points. And why I say so, you can be dismissive of the actual, you can connect the points And after connecting the points, you can be completely discounting on the actual shape, removing it by a wire which is straight.
Yes, sir.
Removing it by a wire which is straight and carrying what current? Same as that of the actual. Got it here?
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
what if it was only the arc?
Which arc here?
What if we had only the arc? Would it still be the same as the line?
We are
have
asking
only the arc.
here.
Okay, yeah.
Analytically, you don't have a loop. Aditya, I'm not having a loop.
Yes, sir.
I'm having only the arc.
Hmm.
What we end up getting was something which I wanted you to relate to larger benefit. And that's the reason what we did. We let the ends meet hypothetically. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And then we are discounting, completely dismissal of the arc. There is no arc to me. Arc being done away with. Done away by a wire. Straight wire. Straight wire carrying what current? Carrying current I. Find force on this, Aditya. What will you get? I into length 2R cross B. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Is it not same as that of this?
Yes, sir.
So, by this methodology, given any shape to you, what you ought to do? Any shape, whatever be the shape, wire be given to you. What you ought to do? You ought to connect the extremes, right? Yeah.
With a straight one.
And then you get a straight wire. After getting straight wire, you can directly use the formula F is equal to I into L cross B. The moment you get straight wire, your work got eased. You can directly use formula F is equal to I into L cross B. Okay, let me test your understanding by one question. Write it down. Given B field is in the direction shown, find force on the sinusoidal conductor. Find force on the sinusoidal conductor when it is placed in magnetic field B. Find force on the sinusoidal conductor when it is placed in the magnetic field B. Z, it is a right hand frame, so you know in which direction Z is. Is it okay? We are dealing with vectors, so I ought to take right hand frame. This is a right hand frame. P is given to you. This axis is towards me. And let us say this is lambda comma 0. Tell me. Anyone? This is the curve to you. This is sinusoidal curve. And this is doing a wire to you. I is the current in it. Coordinate of this point. X lambda y 0. Come on, dear. Apply whatever we have. We did
Sir.
conclude something. You can apply that. Take a cue from there.
So it'll be I B lambda in minus J cap.
So what we are to do? We are to connect the ends, right? Yeah. This
Yes.
is A to me. This is, let's say, C to me. AC connected. Length that we get is certainly lambda, and current is in this direction. So what we are to do, as it says Sonnet, B is outward, L to that direction. So L cross B will not be upward, Sonnet, it will be downwards, correct? L this way, B this
Yes,
way,
sir.
correct? So L cross B will be downwards. So force on this will be F is equal to I into lambda into B. In which direction? In downward direction. So downward is minus of J. Take it down, all of you. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will be the answer to the question. Right next. Wire AB. Wire AB is in equilibrium. Wire AB is in equilibrium on a smooth inclined on a smooth inclined plane. Wire AB is at equilibrium on a smooth inclined plane. Did I say anything after that?
No, sir.
On a smooth inclined plane with A being visible to the observer. With A being visible to the observer. Options. Current should flow from A to B. Current should flow from B to A. The value of current must be mg tan theta by LB. The value of current must be mg tan theta by LB. The value of current must be mg sin theta by LB. This is the inclined plane, all of you. Inclined at an angle theta. B field is in the direction shown, vertical to ground. The wire is not visible from lateral side, only A is visible to you. But when you take the top view of the same, wire is not visible from the lateral side. Is it okay, all of you?
Yes, sir.
It is visible from top though. So this is a top view to us. This is A and this B. Okay. You are first to let me know of, for it to be stationary. For it to be stationary, current must flow from which direction to which direction? Should it flow from A to B or must it from B to A? Yeah, given to you that conductor enjoys equilibrium. Conductor is enjoying equilibrium. Is it fine with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mass of conductor being mentioned here. Tell here. Current should flow from where to where? Yes. From where to where should the current flow? Anyone? Take the lead. Anyone?
So 1 second.
Yeah.
So can you explain the second figure?
Second figure is just the top view of it. If you are keeping it this way and view sideways, then will be visible to you only a point, right? Because conductor is resting on inclined plane. Got it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
So this is what the second figure is. You are viewing from top. This to you is A, this B. And B field will be vertically upwards. This is what the case is. Sonnet, visible?
Yes, sir. Got
Sonnet.
it. Yes, sir.
So
Current in
I
which
guess from A to B.
Okay, A to B. Krish is going with A to B. Answer please, all of you. Time up. Yes, yeah. Pratyush, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, it will be A to B.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, Sonnet. Sonnet, tell me.
Sir, I would like to change. I guess from B to A.
Okay, change over here. We are going with B to A. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sonnet, tell me.
Sir, I don't know.
Why you don't know? What do you mean by I don't know? How can the conductor remain at rest there? Tell me that first, Sonnet. If you assume that only mg and normal, they are the forces acting on it, then can it remain stationary there?
No.
So
Okay.
if it is stationary, it will be owing to some other force which is neutralizing mg sine theta.
Okay, sir. 1 second.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry, sir. Can you change it to A to B the last time? Sorry, I won't want to change again. So A to B only. Sir, I got confused. That's it.
Pratyush, what is your call? Are you vacillating with Krish or you have your own stand?
No, sir, it's A to B only.
Okay. Yes, Aditya, you didn't say a word as yet. Aditya?
Yes, sir. A to B, sir.
Aditya is also going with A to B. Fine. Let us check it out. Now, current is A to B. Let's say this is A, this is B. So current is from A to B. Current is going into the board. Right here is what we are of the opinion. Correct here?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
We are of the opinion current going into the board and
Yes,
B is upwards. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I find L cross B, if I find this is L, this is L, agreed here,
Yes, sir.
and this is B, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
L cross
So
B will
that
be
is
in this direction.
Right towards.
right
So
word.
if L cross B is right there, then you are adding to the woes of conductor. You added to the woes of conductor. Tell me, how did you add to the woes of conductor? Anyway, L and B
It'll
are
start
90 degrees.
moving
That we know,
downward.
correct? Yeah. L and B, the angle 90 degrees. Say me yes or no?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But this way, the angle is 90 degree. Wherever you place on inclined plane, angle between L and B will be 90 degree, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So that is 90. You get force in this direction. And if you are getting force in this direction, it is all the more to disturb equilibrium state.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because you will resolve it in the direction of normal and down the inclination. How is this to serve my purpose, dear?
So this is when it's from A to B.
This is when it is from A to B. So when force is in this direction, it is not to aid me. Will it aid me? Will it aid in maintaining the equilibrium state? Say me yes or no.
No, sir.
Then why did you rally, all of you, behind of Krish? Krish said
Yes, sir.
something and all of you are to rally. You have to apply your own faculties, right? The plagiarism doesn't work. Over here, F over here is in this direction. If I'm taking A to B inward, current is inward and B is upward. L cross B towards me. Towards me means to the right. To the right, if I take, then it is aggregating my situation.
Yeah.
It is all the more detrimental, right here. It aggravates my situation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
If the sin theta was to bother, now I'll have to take care of also F cos theta, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what it should be?
B to A. B to A.
Okay, so from B to A. If I take from B to A, I get force, and then tell me what will be I? What will be I? First of all, write down the first option. Current will be from where to where? B to A, correct?
So it'll be
Yes, sir.
mg sine theta by LB.
Yeah.
Okay. Mg sin theta by LB is what it say. Sonnet. Others, tell me dear, do you subscribe to this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Again, Ralling. Did you work it out or just for the namesake you are saying a yes to sonnet?
No, sir. We'll
Yeah,
balance the
No,
force.
I'm not talking of
Yeah.
sonnet dear. I'm asking others. For namesake you are saying a yes or an affirmation with
One
sonnet
minute.
statement or you are working out?
No, sir.
I'll balance
I'll,
the force of the normal.
I'll
Like,
go third one.
You
Sir,
are
I'll go,
working out dear.
I'll
If
go
you
third
are
one.
out over here, I got you the answer, which I
Yeah.
very surreptitiously did erase.
There'll be F cos
Which
theta.
I very surreptitiously did erase. Because you
Yeah.
could have got, if you have to use a faculty, you could have got that what Sonit is saying is not correct.
It's
Yeah,
not. Yeah, it's
F,
not.
F cos theta.
Okay?
So
I
it'll become
got
F.
four
Yeah, yeah.
mistakes which I did erase.
Correct.
Else you would have got answer directly. This is the direction of force, which is what you got just now, and that was ILB, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now ILB you will break in two directions. One will be ILB cos theta, which is this, and the other this way, ILB sin theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
So ILB cos theta is to manage mg sin theta, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So what will be the option? Sin theta or tan theta?
Tan
Tan.
theta.
Okay, please mark it. Mark it, all of you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, write down. Given a frame which can swing about, given a frame which can swing about axis AB, given a frame which can swing about axis AB, if M is the mass of limbs AB, BC and CD, if M is the mass of limbs AB, BC and CD each, and L the length, and L the length, find angle theta by which frame will tilt. Find angle theta by which frame will tilt when current I is made to flow through it. When current I is made to flow through.
So what is that written between AB?
I'm coming. This one. Which one there?
Between
I.
AB.
I. Now see the state, please. This is the frame to you. Got it? Okay. Look over here already. This is the frame to you. Got it here?
Yes, sir.
Current enters here. Current enters, flows through AB, then goes through CD, no, BC, and then moves up from C to D and is out. Okay? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This can swing. This can swing. Mass of this strand is M, of this is M, and of this also is M. It's square in shape, so length being L for all. First things first, why will it tilt?
So it'll experience a force.
Yeah.
Okay. Which limb will experience the force? Is it only AB to experience? Because I'll start from beginning here. I'll start from beginning. This is the beginning. Current is flowing this way and B is upward. So when we start, will AB experience force is the question. Yes or no, Pratyush? When we start, current is flowing and it is in this orientation. AB is in this orientation. Is it okay, Pratyush?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And B, you know, is acting in which direction, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So will AB experience force?
I think no, sir. Because
Why?
angle,
Why no?
sir, I cross because the L cross B is angle is 180 degree.
Okay, fine. Good. I'll take that. Very good. So this will not experience force. Almost the same is to be said for CD. There the angle will be 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So AB, CD, initially they are not to experience any force. Okay. What about BC?
BC
Yeah.
will experience.
BC will experience force. Current this way, B upwards, correct?
Yes, sir.
Current
Yes,
this
sir.
way and B is upwards. So L cross B towards you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So BC will experience force. Okay. It gets tilted. Owing to force, force will produce torque as it is hinged about this point. So that torque will tilt it and it is coming over here. We'll discuss about it later. First tell me, in this state, back to Pratyush. Pratyush, in this state, what do you say about AB? AB will experience force or not? It has got tilted already. See for yourself. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Now AB will experience force or not? Yes, Pratyush.
Yes, sir. So wait a minute.
Now will it experience or not? Quickly, dear.
Sir, they will be. Uh,
No, I'm talking of AB, limited to AB. AB will experience force or not?
A. Oh,
no,
AB.
sir.
Okay, why so?
It's still parallel.
Sir, but here now angle is not 180 degrees, so I think it will experience the force. Sorry.
Freeze on one, yeah. Yes or
Sir, it
no?
will.
Will
It will.
experience or not?
Yes, sir.
It
It
will.
will. It will.
Okay. What about CD, Aditya? CD will experience or not?
So I didn't get how the figure is. Is it like a planar figure or is it a 3D figure?
Yeah, yes, sir. That's what I don't understand. Because
Yeah.
This is difficult here. What I'm not understanding. This is the frame. Strand, strand, strand. Okay.
Okay.
The frame, not square. You're talking of frame. This is wood to you. Let's say this is wood to you. This is wood to you. So it forms a frame. Okay.
Yeah.
And frame has got a stand. This is stand of frame. Is it okay?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now keep it this way. then AB and B, they were making what angle?
Yeah.
180.
Yeah, 180. Yeah.
180.
And here CD and B were making 0 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Initially, there was no force on these arms, but there was force on this one, correct?
Yes, sir.
Why? Tell me why. L this way, B upwards, correct? Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
L this way, B upwards, L cross B, I said towards you, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this will move up.
Yeah.
Now this is the figure. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I ask again the question. What about force on AB now? To which Pratyush did say there will be some force on
force.
AB.
Yeah.
What about CD, Aditya?
CD will also have a force.
Okay, CD will also experience a force. Now, Aditya, CD will experience force in which direction? Right or left? L cross B. L cross B. Current is flowing this way. Current is flowing this way.
So to the left.
Okay, L is this way, B is this way, so L cross B left, I take it. And accordingly on this, you can say
Sir,
if it is
right.
the right,
Wait,
no,
to the
right.
right.
Sir, right.
Right, CD will be right. CD will be right,
Yeah,
correct?
right.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes, you're right.
And AB will be left.
Yeah.
And they will be same on magnitude, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So translational motion is ceased. They cannot produce any translational motion. Mind you, same in magnitude doesn't arrest couple formation. So you cannot have a blanket perception that there will be no rotational motion. Rotational motion may be a possible. For now, I am to say translational motion is not possible in the horizontal direction, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So translational motion is not possible. And if it is in this direction, if it is tilted as shown in figure, then torque due to force on BC, torque due to force on BC should be equal to torque due to mg. Agreed? C. Force on AB to the left. Force on AB to the left. Force on CD to the right. Force on BC towards us, dot. Okay? So let me show it over here. On BC in this direction, is it okay? Check it out here.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So force on BC in this direction. About this point, this force can produce torque. Okay.
Yes.
Which are the other forces? Anyone?
Sir,
Which are the other forces?
the MG.
Can
3
produce torque.
mg.
mg from here, 1 mg from here, 1 mg from here, and 1 mg from here. Correct? Please be careful of mg will act at center of mass. mg will act at center of mass. So torque due to this mg will be mg into L by 2. Torque due to this mg will be mg into L by 2. L by 2, and due to this will be mgl, and they are all tilted at an angle theta. So all multiplied with cos theta. Check there. Cos or sine, you will have to check once. I think sine. Because
So why-
mg is over here. This is mg. Here mg and here mg. Check it. And we have to take perpendicular distance. Perpendicular means this. So sine theta. Check it out.
So
Check out all of you.
for the BC part,
This part.
why have we taken L?
Because BC is at a distance L, Nadia. BC is this. BC, where will it act? This is BC to me, correct? This one. So it will act here. And for these, it will act halfways, mg. Okay. mg here will act here, center of mass of BC, correct? And this length is L. and mg at AB will act half.
Oh, okay. About. Okay. Yes, sir.
Here also half.
Okay, sir.
So for AB, midways, for BC, midways, for CD also midways, but AB midways lies at a distance L by 2 cos theta. And of this one lies at a distance L by 2 L cos theta. Though I have to take perpendicular distance to get torque, therefore we are going with sin theta. Check out here. Torque. This torque is torque on the limbs owing to mg application. Clear all of you? Check here. Aditya,
Yes.
Pratyush, and Krish. Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Sure, Pratyush. Pratyush.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You sure on this? Why L by 2?
Yes, sir.
Why L by 2?
So because it will act on center of mass.
And L by 2 for which two rods?
Sir,
For which rods L by 2?
AB and CD.
AB and CD. And why sin theta Aditya taken there?
For the perpendicular length.
Perpendicular length. So we get it from here, and this should be equated to Krish.
That should be equated
Equated
to
to
talk to the force.
which will be what, Krish? Tell me.
The IRB.
ILB.
No, ILB.
ILB. That's it.
Sine.
No, sir. ILB sin theta.
Wait.
Are you sure?
No,
Krish,
sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
please take your time and get me the right answer on your own, Krish.
Yes, sir. One
Was
second, sir.
multiplied with perpendicular distance.
Yes, ILB L
L.
sin theta.
L cos. Oh no, but L.
Let him check on his own. Yes, Krish, tell me what will it be? Force is shown over here. This is the point about which it is to rotate. Final
Yeah,
call,
yes,
Krish.
Yes, sir. ILB L cos theta.
Sure?
Sure, sir.
Okay. So force is ILB, of course. You are right on that, Krish. Force will be ILB and perpendicular distance will be L cos theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
So ILB into L cos theta. This when we equate, we get the angle, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we are keeping to this today, class.
So
Fine.
one doubt here.
Ah,
When we took perpendicular distance for torque due to mg, we took it from the vertical line.
perpendicular distance. Vertical. This.
We took the distance from the vertical line, which. But then for force, why are we taking it from the?
What are you asking there? It is the multiple of force with what? Line of action of force and perpendicular distance of the line of action from point of calculation, right?
Oh, that's from point.
So this is the point. This is line of action and perpendicular distance. For mg, this is line of action and perpendicular distance, correct? Torque is product of force with perpendicular distance of line of action of force from point of calculation, correct?
Okay.
Correct, Sonnet?
Yes, sir.
So mg line of action is this, correct? Correct?
Yes,
And
sir.
force line of action is this, correct?
Hmm.
So
Yes, sir.
perpendicular distance of force will be this, and for mg will be this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then let's keep to this today. Thank you, class. Thank you, all of you.
Sir, can I just copy it? Can I copy it?
Okay, sure.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you.